Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about another unique ratchet from Facom. It's called Rotator or Twist Handle Ratchet.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
It comes with this packaging. The part number of this ratchet is J360PB. It's a 3/8 ratchet. It's a kind of bulky ratchet. Handle is made of two-component design. Edge of the handle is red, which is hard plastic, and the black part is bit softer. Facom logo is stamped on the black part of the handle. Facom logo is also stamped on the metal shaft. I always appreciate the stamp on the metal over the laser etching, since laser etching wear away with the time. The ratchet is bulkier overall. Now the fun part of this ratchet is you can rotate the handle to any direction and it will drive the anvil. Look at the anvil. This is kind of unique ratchet. To change the turning direction, you need to hold the anvil and turn the knurling disc back of the ratchet head. And now direction is changed. Isn't it interesting? No matter what direction you rotate the handle, it will turn the anvil in selected direction. This can be really handy feature in certain situations, especially in narrow spaces. Now change the direction. Boom! It will now turn to another direction. It got also knurling on the shaft to hold it firmly on greasy hands. Nice feature. Teeth count of this ratchet is 72, pretty basic. Not very fine, but mechanism is smooth. Let's compare this ratchet with standard length regular ratchet. I got the Hazet Hyper Series ratchet. You can see the rotator ratchet is quite bulky. Handle is big and the ratchet head is also quite thick. I made few video clips just to give you guys an idea how this can be handy in certain situations. Here I try to make a situation to use this ratchet. I got only this extension. With this extension, the swing arc is not enough for a normal ratchet, so I can use this ratchet. Apology for my camera angle, I did not have good enough space to put my camera on. But you guys will get the idea. If you got this kind of situation, this can be handy actually. It's not a bad idea for a ratchet. Here is another angle view. I can use other side easily for using the normal ratchet. I'm just trying to give you demo for possible usage of this ratchet. Now there is another situation. This time I will try to break the nut loose. Guys, I did not touch this nut before. Let's see if I can break the nut free. I need both hands for this. Let me set the camera first. It's a 10mm nut. I have to use quite much force to turn the ratchet handle. Here you go, it worked actually. This is nice. Now I'm gonna try this ratchet on shock absorber mount nut if I can break these nut free. I need a 13mm socket. Guys, it's hard. I'm using full force, but I'm unable to break the nut free with this mechanism. I try it with another nut. Let's see if I can break that nut free. Here we go. I broke the nut free. Another thing, once you break it free, you can speed up the process by using normal ratchet swing and the handle spinning at the same time. I don't know what to say, but it is fun to have that, or I would say it is not for everyday use, but it can be handy in certain situations. But it is interesting, I would say. And also, this ratchet seems to hold up pretty well. Guys, what's your take on this style of ratchet? Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Okay guys, that's it with the video. Hope you guys find this video interesting. If you guys like this video, consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you could